Hello guys, good day. This is Lord and Passion. Welcome back to my channel for today's vlog. We're going to have a surfing activity here at Limliwa Beach Resort, San Felipe, Zambales. And if you really want to know more about this content, stay tuned and watch the whole video. And ayun na nga guys, we are going to have a surfing activities here at Limliwa Beach Resort, San Felipe, Zambales. This is the part of our beach tour. And yes, sinulit talaga namin ang mga activities dito sa San Felipe, Zambales. Actually, this video was taken December 2022 pa. And kapag December pala, malalakas yung alon. That's why it's good for surfing activities. But before anything else, of course, syempre, hindi namin pinalagpas yung pagkuha namin ng mga gandang pictures before kami mag-activity ng surfing. There are many more activities na pwede mong gawin aside from surfing. Meron din tayong banana boat ride, and then meron ding ATV ride, meron ding nagba-volleyball, beach volleyball, and marami pang iba.
So hello guys, ayan, ready na kami for surfing and yes, excited ko for ko mag-surf. Surfing pala, sorry. So, papunta na ako dun sa mga kasama. Kapagod. Hindi naman ata. So, ayan guys, ready na kami. Ito yung mga trainer namin sa likod.
Sa tulong-tulong mag-surf.
Bakit napakalayo naman? Hindi na lang dito.
And of course, kasama ko pa rin ang beautiful and ever gorgeous and my trouble buddy, Ate Jinky. And ngayon, naglalakad na nga kami papunta dun sa spot na gustong puntahan ng aming trainer at saka guide. So of course, mas maganda na meron talagang magtuturo sa inyo ng proper instructions before kayo mag-surfing. This is our first time and syempre, kailangan talaga ng guidance ng mga marurunong. So nung time na nag-surfing kami dito, ang bayad namin is 500 and that's good for I think 30 minutes. And ayun, before nga kayo mag-try, i-brief muna kayo. Sasabihin yung tamang pagtalon just in case man na matumba ka. And yung tamang pagtayo kapag ikaw ay magsa-surfing na. And of course, merong demonstrations munang pinagawa sa amin ng paulit-ulit just to make sure na alam namin yung gagawin at hindi kami mataranta once na nandyan na yung alon. And of course, don't worry guys, kasama pa rin naman kayo ng trainer ninyo na iga-guide pa rin kayo kapag nandun na kayo sa mismong dagat. And ayun na nga, since tingin naman ng trainer, naturo na nila lang dapat nang ituro sa amin. So ayun na, papunta na kami para sumalang. Here we go guys, let's go! And ayun na nga guys, since napakalalaki at napakalalakas ng alon and this is my first time, nahirapan kami both ni Ate Jinky na makatayo. So if you can imagine guys kung gaano kataas yung surfboard, ganun din katataas yung alon halos at sumasampal sa amin yung mismong surfboard. Nung unang mga try ko, nung wala pang video, nakatayo ko ng 2 beses. And habang tumatagal, hindi na talaga namin kaya. So, kung gusto nyo talaga siyang matutunan, you have to keep on trying because it's so hard to learn in one try. And I better suggest, mas maganda kung hindi ganon kalalakas, sobra yung alon. Kasi I think, ang kaya lang talagang makatayo sa ganyan is yung mga professional.
Yung short ko nalalaglag.
Surfing pate! Kaya ba?
Hindi ko kaya talaga ganyan kasi nung nag-surf kami, naabangan namin yung alon.
Masyadong malakas yung alon. Grabe no, nakakapang ano, no?
Dito, sunod-sunod, hindi ko kaya.
Grabe ang taas. Talaban na tayo, kuya.
So ayun na nga guys, kita nyo kung paano kami mabalda at mabugbog ang katawan namin sa surfing activity. Kinagabihan, nagpahinga na lang kami dito sa kubo at ganito ka-peaceful yung itsura.
Okay.
And ayun guys, this is our second night. Bumili lang kami ng drinks namin and nagpapahinga na kami kasi kinabukasan random activities na lang din yung gagawin namin. So ayun na nga, dumating yung kinabukasan. So ang ginawa na lang namin is nag-ikot-ikot, nagpahinga, nag-swimming as well. Sa kakaikot namin, of course, meron kaming nakilalang isang bagong kaibigan which is si Kate. So she's from Olongapo and mahilig din siyang pumunta sa beach. And since this is our last day, tinry namin iikot yung iba pang resorts na malalapit dito. Wherein marami silang
Hello guys,
in-offer
good day.
din na
This is Robin
pagkain
Passion.
like
Welcome
shakes
back to
and
my channel for
halo-halo.
today's video.
So, ayun,
Ayan na, ito na yung last
tinry
day
namin
sa
yung mga
Boracay.
foods na binebenta nila.
Boracay na pala.
Since maya-maya malapit
Sambales
na kami
Limliwa pala to.
And kapag gabi yung resort, ganito yung itsura niya guys. And ayun na nga, tapos na. Once again, this is Rodin Passion. If you really want to know more about our contents, please don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification bell so that you'll be notified sa mga upcoming videos ko. You can also follow me on my social media accounts. Thank you so much and see you next one. Bye! We're now going to Secret Beach.
Punta sa secret.